वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Multiple choice questions. Question 1. How does the writer describe the king? A. Arrogant. B. Just and placid. C. Egocentric. Answer C. Egocentric. Question 2. What was the purpose of the construction ordered by the king? A. To continue a legacy. B. To solidify the king's rule. C. To improve viewers morally. D. To carry out a ritual. Answer C. To improve viewers morally. Question 3. Why did the king's crown fall? A. Because the arch was built too low. B. Because he lost his balance. C. Because the crown was heavy. D. Because he was attacked. Answer A. Because the arch was built too low. Question 4. This is a disgrace. What was a disgrace? A. Poorly built arch. B. Unenthusiastic crowd. C. Crown being stroked. D. None of the above. Answer C. Crown being stroked. Question 5. What order did the king give after the incident? A. He ordered workmen to be hanged. B. He ordered to hang the chief of builders. C. He ordered to summon the architect. D. He ordered to gather all people. Answer B. He ordered to hang the chief of builders. Question 6. What reason did the workmen give to the king? A. Instructions given were wrong. B. Time provided was less. C. Bricks were of the wrong size. D. Changes were made at the last point. Answer C. Bricks were of the wrong size. Question 7. According to the architect, who made the amendments? A. The king. B. He himself. Answer A. The king. Question 8. Listening about his own hanging, who did the king call for? A. The oldest man in the country. B. The wisest man in the country. C. The wisest minister in his administration. D. All the people. Answer B. The wisest man in the country. Question 9. Who according to the council was the culprit that was brought before the king? A. The king. B. The arch. A and S. B. The arch. Question 10. Why was it shameful to hang the arch? A. Because it was innocent. B. Because it was non-living. C. Because it was newly built. D. Because it had touched the king's head. Answer D. Because it had touched the king's head. Short answer type questions. Question 1. Why did the king order to build an arch?
राजा ने एक मेहराब बनाने का आदेश क्यों दिया?
Answer. The king proclaimed for an arch to be constructed because he thought that the arch would be a symbol of his triumphs, a sort of victory monument. He wanted the arch to be extended across the main road of the city. Question 2. What happened when the king passed under the arch?
क्या हुआ जब राजा मेहराब के नीचे से गुजरा?
Answer. When the king passed under the arch, his crown hit the arch and fell. The arch was probably built too low. The king became furious. A frown appeared on his calm face. He took it as a disgrace and ordered that the chief of builders must be hanged for this insult. Question 3. What did the workmen say in their defense when the king ordered them to be hanged?
जब राजा ने मजदूरों को फांसी देने का आदेश दिया तो अपने बचाव में उन्होंने क्या कहा?
Answer. When the chief of builders blamed the workmen for the incident, the king stopped the proceedings of hanging for a while, then he decided to have all the workmen hanged. The workmen told that the size of bricks was wrong and they blamed the masons. Thus, the workmen escaped being hanged. Question 4. What did the architect tell the king when he was summoned by the king?
जब वास्तुकार को राजा के द्वारा बुलाया गया तो उसने राजा को क्या बताया?
Answer. When the architect was summoned by the king and blamed for making a faulty design of the arch, the architect reminded the king that he had forgotten one small thing. The king had made certain changes to the plans of the arch when the architect had shown them to him. Thus, he implied that the blame for the faulty design was with the king himself and that the architect was not to be blamed. Question 5. How was the wisest man chosen?
सबसे बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति को कैसे चुना गया?
Answer. The wisest man was chosen on the criterion that the oldest would be the wisest. The old man so old that he could neither walk nor see. The advice given by him to hang the arch was a ridiculous judgment as the arch was lifeless. Question 6. What was the problem faced by the ministers after the king's execution?
राजा को फांसी देने के बाद मंत्रियों ने किस समस्या का सामना किया?
Answer. After the hanging of the king, the city was without a ruler. The ministers needed to find a ruler. However, they had a customary method of choosing kings. So, they sent out the message that the next person to pass the city gate would choose the new king. Question 7. How did the ministers justify the hanging of their king?
मंत्रियों ने अपने राजा को फांसी को सही कैसे ठहराया?
Answer. The king deserved to die because of his stupidity and arbitrary behavior. The ministers heaved a sigh of relief. At last, someone was found to be hanged. No matter that the man was their king. If the king had not offered himself for hanging immediately, the people would have revolted against him. So the king saved himself from that dishonor and disgrace. Question 8. Who decided a melon to be the king and why?
एक तरबूज को राजा चुनाने का निश्चय किसने किया और क्यों?
Answer. After the message was sent out by the ministers, an idiot happened to pass the city gate and was stopped by the guards to be asked who should be the king. The idiot told that a melon should be the king. He named the melon as he was very fond of melons. Moreover, reasoning was beyond him. Long answer type questions. Question 1. The king in the poem is just and placid. How does the king put himself into a difficult situation?
कविता में राजा न्यायप्रिय और शांतिप्रिय है। राजा स्वयं को एक मुश्किल स्थिति में किस प्रकार डालता है?
Answer. The Kram sets the tale of Melon City describe a unique king. He is whimsical and sometimes he look funny and most of the time he is ridiculous. The poet calls the king just and placid, but he is neither of the two. He proclaimed to construct an arch. Soon, the arch was constructed. One day the king was riding down the thoroughfare. His crown struck against the arch and fell off. The king was expert in making an issue of a non-issue. The king felt dishonored and decided to hang the chief of builders. The chief of builders put the blame on the laborers. The king decided to hang all the laborers. The laborers found fault with the size of the bricks. The king summoned the masons, but they laid the blame on the architect. The king ordered to hang the architect. The poor architect said that the king had suggested certain amendments in the plan. So, the king got confused. Being a just and placid king, he fell into his own trap. Question 2. Describe how does a melon become the ruler of the state?
वर्णन कीजिए कि एक तरबूज राज्य का शासक किस प्रकार बनता है।
Answer. After the hanging of the king, the ministers are confronted with problem of choosing the ruler of the state. They follow their old custom. They sent out messengers to declare that the next man to pass the city gate would choose the ruler of their state. An idiot happened to pass the gate. The guards stop him and ask him to decide who should be the king, to which he replied, "A melon actually." This was his standard answer to all questions. The ministers declared that a melon would be their new ruler, and they crown a melon and place their melon king reverently at the throne. So, the melon becomes the new ruler of the state. The people are quite happy with their melon king because he does not interfere in their affairs.
वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को शेयर करें। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।